Micro-Tactical Indoor ISR System. A revolutionary new micro-tactical indoor ISR system that enables any operator with zero flight experience to perform accurate remote multi-mission tasks in complex environments, without any physical risk. Patented Mark and Fly technology is integrated into the company's proprietary drone operating system and enables control of drone teams, multi-drone, and remote control of payloads deployed indoors, and actively affects the operational scenario. Designed as a wearable, lightweight system with a single-hand, natural gesture-based controller, Xtender enables accurate performance of remote multi-mission ISR tasks in extremely complex environments, extending current payloads beyond the line of sight. Xtender is able to enter a remote target site, perform recon and data collection tasks with extreme precision, and seamlessly exit. Kontek's GP3 ballport weapon engagement system gives operators industry-leading ballistics and blast protection, while providing enhanced field of view and fields of fire when compared to traditional weapons ports. Contact our dedicated team about the gun port weapons engagement systems you need to keep your facilities safe and secure. Available up to .50 cal AP protection. Designed to match the blast and ballistic protection associated with the rest of the structure. The ball module provides complete protection to the operator while allowing the operator to return fire from cover. Comes with a rapid replacement ballistic window cartridge. Should the glass be struck and no longer usable, the window can be swapped within seconds. Fits into all existing Kontek weapons ports. Retrofits into non-Kontek weapons ports through various mounting methods. Can be mounted to flared/angled walls. Adapter allows the use of training equipment through the GP3 ball port. Provides complete coverage to the operator while allowing full fields of view and fire. Increases operator survivability and lethality. Improves the operator's ability to defend from a BRE or fighting position in both FOF and real-world scenarios. Provides a low-cost solution to enhance performance on existing BREs and fighting positions. Low cost of ownership and minimal preventative maintenance. Protecting vast, remote borders, shorelines, and forward operating bases requires speed, mobility, and flexibility. Maximizing the power of a limited number of personnel is also critical. The skid-based LVSS is the next-generation mobile surveillance solution. It converts a full-sized commercial pickup into a rapidly deployable command and control center. With radar and EO/IR cameras mounted to its 16-foot mast, LVSS provides efficient surveillance coverage throughout your mission to guard against smuggling, terrorism, and illegal immigration day and night. Simplify the complex. Seamlessly integrate Chameleon command and control software with radar and IR/EO camera systems for full perimeter security operations. Track up to 500+ targets simultaneously and bring steadfast long-range surveillance to the threat from distances up to 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles, away. The removable skid installs quickly. ULCAS weighs no more than 250 g/m superscript 2 and operates between -20 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius, both for storage and use. The camouflage net has high chemical resistance and withstands exposure to petroleum, oil, and lubricants. Telescopic support poles are available. These extendable, glass fiber poles can be customized. In addition, aluminum or steel ground stakes are available. The optional ULCAS cover bag for transport and storage, containing all the parts and accessories needed. Military combat divers often conduct underwater missions in hazardous and zero visibility conditions. Critical to mission success is having accurate underwater compass and depth readings to assist with navigation while minimizing the risk of detection. Traditional compasses can be virtually useless in these conditions even with auxiliary illumination. Developed in collaboration with military personnel, Shadow NAV provides a practical solution for divers operating in low visibility conditions. The Shadow NAV has been developed as part of a collaboration between JFD and the U.S. Navy Naval Surface Warfare Center. The Lynx KF-41 Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, from Rheinmetall is a key contender for the Czech Republic's IFV modernization program. The revitalization of Czech armored capabilities with 210 new IFVs sees defense decision-makers considering battlefield concerns not only of the present days, but also of decades to come. With its future-proof armaments, the Lynx stands ready to survive and dominate in present and future conflicts. The turret system is the single most important battlefield capability for any IFE. Decades of experience in producing turrets has come together with Rheinmetall's expertise in fire control systems, medium and large caliber weapons, and various wheeled and tracked armored vehicles, to make the Lynx's Lance 2.0 turret system a uniquely modular and powerful asset. The Lance 2.0 turret can be customized with countless variation possibilities. Facilitating generic vehicle architecture, GVE makes the turret almost as flexible as the Lynx KF-41 vehicle itself, as well as systems, e.g. jammers, sensors, UVs, additionally integrated to the turret. Also, the use of different protection packages for the crew compartment and essential systems is possible depending on the planned mission. JFD Defense joined forces with LVSS to shoot a promotional video at the off-road polygon in Milovice, Czech Republic. The video shows JFD Defense's MANTIS weapon station for 12.7mm machine guns installed on a Mars 4x4 double cabin. JFD Defense specializes in the development and production of remote-controlled weapon stations for the integration of small and medium-caliber weapons. These systems are suitable for perimeter surveillance, detection of ground and air targets, and fire control in land and naval applications. The modular concept of JFD Defense's weapon stations allows the integration of different weapon systems and sensors. Weapon stations can be equipped with a number of optional features and additional protection systems, such as laser and radar detection systems and smoke grenade launchers. The customer can thus have a product designed to meet their exact needs. MANTIS is a compact remote-controlled weapon station, RCWS, suitable for both land and naval applications and designed to be installed on wheeled/tracked light armored vehicles. The Xaver 400 allows quick location of people hidden by walls and barriers, enabling tactical teams to step into the known and obtain mission-critical information. The Xaver 400 is a compact, lightweight, and durable personal device, optimized for the speed of tactical entries. The Xaver 400 gives Special Ops and Rescue Forces critical information in real time about the number of people and their location behind a wall. Simple to operate, the Xaver 400 provides vital information when and where it is needed. Tactical teams conducting urban operations are constantly faced with stepping into the unknown. Is anyone in the room, hidden behind the wall, or hiding in the hallway? Mission plans must account for any contingency, adding complexity and increasing the chance of error often in life and death situations. Camaro's Xaver Sense Through the Wall (STTW) systems provide unprecedented situational awareness.